What's lying just beneath the surface of the drying Euphrates Riverbed, and what does it mean for human history? Did a 3,400-year-old city just rise from the Euphrates? In 2022, as drought drained Iraq's Mosul Dam reservoir, something incredible surfaced from the depths. A sprawling 3,400-year-old city, believed to be Zakiku, a major hub of the ancient Mitanni Empire. Buried underwater for decades, its emergence shocked archaeologists. What they found were remarkably intact walls, a palace with clay tablets, and massive structures preserved in time. It was like a Mesopotamian Atlantis suddenly reappearing. These ruins may hold secrets about a powerful civilization that once ruled parts of northern Mesopotamia, and all because of a modern water crisis. Are these the crumbling walls of Mesopotamian giants? As the Euphrates retreats, the skeletons of ancient cities like Ur and Uruk have begun to reappear, once vibrant cities that laid the foundation of human civilization. These weren't just towns. They were the epicenters of writing, architecture, governance, and trade. The discovery of long-lost roads, ziggurat platforms, and administrative buildings gives us a chance to peer into the lives of people who lived over 5,000 years ago. It's a rare look into how the first cities were built and how they may have fallen. Did we just find the oldest farming village on Earth at the Euphrates Riverbed? Further upstream the Euphrates River, receding waters expose Tel Abu Hurera, a site that might just be humanity's first farming village. Dating back over 13,000 years, this ancient settlement is a window into the Neolithic Revolution, the point where humans transitioned from foraging to farming. Researchers have found early evidence of crop cultivation, domesticated animals, and the first signs of permanent homes. It's one of the most significant archaeological sites ever discovered, and it's rewriting the story of how modern society began. What do these hidden caves beneath the Euphrates River reveal? With lower water levels, natural cave formations once hidden by the Euphrates have emerged, and they're not empty. Some contain ancient carvings, pottery, and even signs of religious use, leading some to believe they were sacred spaces or places of refuge thousands of years ago. These caves are silent time capsules, preserving the spiritual practices and daily lives of people who lived long before written history. They're not just rock and stone, they're the untouched diaries of ancient humanity. Is the drying Euphrates Riverbed a biblical prophecy in motion? The Euphrates River holds a powerful place not just in history, but in prophecy. In the book of Revelation, it's written that the great river would one day dry up to prepare the way for major end times events. As the waterline recedes, some are wondering, is this more than just climate change? Whether symbolic or literal, the drying river has sparked a surge of discussion among religious scholars, raising age-old questions about destiny, prophecy, and the mysteries of ancient scripture. What do these lost artifacts found at the dried-up Euphrates Riverbed say about forgotten cultures? With each new exposure of the Euphrates Riverbed comes a flood of lost items, pottery shards, tools, tablets, and even burial sites. These artifacts belong to forgotten cultures that once lived and thrived along the Euphrates. Every fragment has a story to tell, of trade routes, of wars, of daily life. And in many cases, they're discoveries that would have never seen the light of day without the drying river. It's archaeology in real time, changing what we thought we knew about ancient life in the Fertile Crescent. Could the Euphrates decline collapse an entire region? The Euphrates today provides water to millions in Iraq, Syria, and Turkey. As the river shrinks, so does the farmland, the drinking water, and the hydroelectric power it supports. Some regions are already seeing rising tensions, economic strain, and environmental collapse. Experts warn that if this continues, we could see displacement, conflict, and a new kind of crisis, one where ancient history and modern survival collide. Why the drying Euphrates is a global wake-up call. The unearthing of ancient cities, temples, and villages beneath the Euphrates might feel like a miracle for archaeologists, but it's also a red flag for everyone else. Climate change, overuse of water, and dam projects have turned a lifeline into a warning sign. The river that once gave birth to civilization is now revealing its secrets, but at what cost? This isn't just a story about the past. It's a message for the future, that our connection to the Earth's resources is as fragile as the ruins we now uncover.